So hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use quick share in Samsung Galaxy A06 device. So guys, if you want to use or if you want to set up the quick share, first of all, you have to go to settings, and here we have an option of connected device. Just tap on the connected device. Now comes to quick share. So in this section, we have all the setting of the quick share. Like we can share with the Galaxy devices, share it with non-Galaxy like another devices, and nearby sharing. In this section, we have who can share with you. So we can set contacts, no one, and everyone also. So there's the name of our phone, tech guys A06. If you want to change your name of device, so you can change it by yourself. Okay, so next we have an option of show available devices on share panel. Like we have any nearby device which is available, so we have the option of the device's name our share panel. Now we have link sharing history, like how much time we share from the device and how much data we can consume. We can use Wi-Fi only, and we can also use a mobile data option. So guys, these are all the settings of a quick share, and this is how we can set up and use a quick share from this. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.